अरे इसमें पूरा कार्बोनिक एसिड है उसको पीओ डाल सकता तो ये कितना कम है वो राइट है अरे मैंने भी बोला कि ये H2CO3 से इसमें से कार्बन नहीं करना जिससे अरे ये तो वो टका है ये वो लगे बोलेगा मिला के का क्या हो गया भाई ये बस खा रहे हैं तेरे पास ही है और ये भाई इतना भाई ये हो आएगा ना 2 मिनट में इतना खत्म हो जाएगा एक साइड का लेके आएंगे पांच वाला मैंने पहली बार करना है कांग्रेचुलेशन मेरा काम ना तेरे तेरा बाप बाप से मेरा बाप बाप ओके क्योंकि बाप को बाप के लिए बुलाती है मतलब तो अपने पापा को बाप बुलाएगा ये अपने पापा को बाप बुलाती है मेरा बाप ऐसा है कॉफी सीड्स खाके गई ना तो डॉक्टर से पॉजिटिव है कॉफी सीड्स को क्या होता है ऐसा से नहीं लगता है क्यों बनाते हैं एडवर्टाइजमेंट कर रहे अभी वो इतना अभी विशाल से सब लोग मीर को जाके कोई बोलते हैं विक्स को जाके स्कूल में भी विक्स बुलाते हैं हां तो मीर को जाके कोई बोलते हैं कि विक्स को जाके देखो कुछ नहीं नहीं इसको मेरा क्या है अभी मेरी मतलब पागल मारे अगर मिलाना में कोई दिन बात इतना मालूम ना क्यों कुछ लड़की का नाम लोग छिका है करेगा क्या यार क्या भी दर्द बता रहा हूं ब्रिज में तेरा ऐसे तेरे को चिढ़ाता वो अबे जाना है ना आपको पता ना नाम तो मम्मी बात करेगी मेरी हमारी क्लास टीचर है भाई वो मैं तो हमें क्लास में बताती है मैं तो दलाली के टेक्स्ट बुक में आया स्कूल में अरे हम तो दलाली के टेक्स्ट बुक में वाली बताने बात को आगे ये दलाली के टेक्स्ट बुक में बिल्कुल मत है कोई सेलिना ये सेलिना में दे बस यूज कर ये आज के लिए मुझे देना दो लेकिन कभी क्लास के बीच में तेरा भाई ये अच्छा है इससे एक्सप्लेनेशन दिया है मैं ये करने की ज्यादा मतलब
किसी और की कुंडी लगा दी है दे दो
Yeah, good evening. Today more people are there. Who is this running here and there? Good evening to you all. Last class. First is Srishti Sinha. I will assign some work to you. Will you check? Everyone on the graph? Those are on the graph. Will you check? All of you on the graph. So those are the graph paper, graph book. Today I have to check with your homework part. Okay. Since homeworks are doing or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Those are done the homework. Those are the graph book. Please sit down. What is your problem?
Homework and graph.
Both are not there. What is it? What is your problem? So you can say the homework. Graph is there. No. No graph, no homework. One Ishani is there, one Nabi is there. What to do? Two graph paper do not work.
That's 4.
Sit down. Let other you go and ask to speak. Each of them has not. Why you will tell combining that why you decide whether you are coming from? I mean, graph is there. That's the graph. There you go. Collect the graph from someone who sat down there. I will graph. Somebody give us. Yeah. Last class after this, please start it. What happened to you? Huh? Where now? Huh? Jammu, you were there seeing all that. What happened? What happened to you? Dada, what is the Dada? Some problem with Janpati? Huh? Family exhibition. Family exhibition. What she said? Ah, hello. Abhi, Suran man, you are in Suran. You should invite us also, huh? Then, sorry. Shesa, what happened 2 weeks ago? Mahabaleshwar. Very nice. Enjoyed. What did you think of Mahabaleshwar? Okay. You? Huh? Did you get the graph? Then what I will bring for? Take out 100 rupees. Huh?
No, sir.
Get the graph. Okay. Christy, see you there and get the graph. Otherwise, I will send you. Yeah. Ganpati. Ganpati overall, since 2 weeks you are not doing any work. All problems and problems. Done. What's he doing? I have to find for this also. This camera costs something around Geocana, so something more than 2,500. So you spend pay, you have maybe 10,000. So I'll bring it and Ganpati, all Ganpati. You should bring Ganpati people should invite us also. We will also come for this one. Abhi standard. Take out this mobile. Just throw it down. Put it in your bag. Oh, hero. What happened? Why you went to the last bench? You call all the 3 and come. You want your friends now? Come and sit in the second bench. Sit down, all of you. Did you make the graphs arrangement? You got graph book itself. Whose book? But she gave the book. Now what is your case? Why shall we?
No, sir, I don't have any graph.
You are giving up. Huh? Money you take. If not taken, you will take. Puja? Bring it. You are playing. Okay. Come. Huh? What do you teacher? Avni, you want to check with her? You want to take another chance? Yeah. No worries. Okay, this all happens to everyone. To me also happens. Don't hit her, okay? Don't fight it. Homework done, anything with you? Puja, you should call. I'll come to your house for puja. Ah. Hello, what is going on here? Maybe or talk some okay, progress on. Yeah. What the graph? Christy, give the graph. Okay, then. Read now. Look here. All of you listen here. And before that, let me also tell. Now you are page number. Jesa, quietly sit. Already you are Mahaveshwar story later. Okay. Did she bring anything to you for you? For Mahaveshwar? Nothing. And then what she is talking to you? Now look, all of you listen here. Icse listen chapter. Quite a lot of people are struggling to make the figure. I need all of you by Tuesday when you are coming. This is the next lecture. From your previous board question, 10 questions you have to do. Understood?
Yes.
Puja is there, form. Okay. Father chants the mantra. I don't know. I don't understand. Only story taken here. But our face is yeah. Why? Research is on which day? Okay. Yeah. Okay, so please do that. Okay, now tell me now listen. All of you, I will read the question. Okay, all of you listen. Open your notebook. Close your volume. I will read the question. Let's see how many of you can able to draw the figure. Open. Quietly. Open the book. Okay. First I will read the question. Once again, I will read. First, Prasad. Yeah, listen only. A man on a cliff observes, no need to draw, first you listen. A man on a cliff observes a boat at an angle of depression 30 degrees, which is sailing towards the shore, which is immediately beneath the foot of the shore is behind. 3 minutes later, the angle of depression of the boat found to be 60 degrees. Okay, should I tell? A man on the top of a cliff observes a boat with an angle of elevation of 30 degrees. Angle of depression 30 degrees. 3 with boat is sailing towards the foot of the cliff. 3 minutes later, the angle of depression changes to 60 degrees. Figure it out. Yes, only figure it out. That's the meaning I said. Degree, angle, spark. Where is your depression? Hello? Angle of depression changes from 30 to 60 in how many minutes time? 3 minutes. Towards the shore, means shore is beneath the cliff. Foot of the cliff is the shore. But finding I cannot tell now. That way you draw, remaining relaxed. Let me see. Where is Vishal? Wrong. 0 mark. Where is your depression angle? There 30 degrees, 60 degrees, 30 degrees only. Accordingly, which angle is bigger, 30 or 60? No. So mark it corresponding 30 and 60. What are you doing? Below you draw 30 and 60. What is it? What is going on here? Still going on. Scale is for what? To seeing only. So it's wrong. Mark the corresponding 30 and 60. Then I will tell you. Attendance passing. Where? Where is the angle of depression? This is wrong. Depression angle mark. What is it? Where is the scale and pencil? Oh. Still going on drawing. Where is yours? Scale. Figure. This much part, if it is not there in the figure, it is considered as wrong. And look here, Avi, this is not 60 degrees. Understood? If you there are 2-3 people marked from this one. Depression and elevation starts from horizontal, not with nothing with the vertical. Okay. Now the question is, find if the bot is traveling in the uniform speed, how much time more it will take to reach the shore? How much time more it will take to reach the shore? Where is it? According to here, where is the man? D. A. Where is the foot? At A now or B? At A. Where is ship? D. At D, and after 3 minutes? C. Okay, so time taken to C to D is 3 minutes. Now, how much time to reach the shore means which time you have to find out? Time taken for BC. Dispatch only, nothing else. Are you followed? The given condition is dispatch only. What is the time taken to travel BC? Yes. Hello. There is no boat over there. Okay. There are some old men is talking. Able to do, unable to do, who is doing? 1 second. Take the scale and pencil and draw properly. There. Right, na? How many are you able to do? I don't know what I'm doing. Listen, that way it will not come. Listen, all of you. This is height. This is 3 minutes. You cannot write this as minute. Okay, distance. First and foremost thing is what is traveling in a uniform speed. So you can take the uniform speed. Okay, uniform speed is equal to, let's say, x, and time we have 3. Therefore, this is 3x. CD is equal to 3x. Are you followed? how distance equal to speed into time. If time taken for BC is t, therefore what will be this one? Xt. Yes or no? Time taken BC is equal to t. Speed is x, means distance is equal to how much? BC. Listen. Now you will be getting as first is, should I do it? Tan 60 is equal to h upon xt. Therefore, root 3 or h is equal to root 3 times x60. Then tan 30 is equal to h upon xt plus 3x. Therefore, 1 upon root 3 is equal to h upon xt plus 3x. xt plus h is equal to, we don't need, h is equal to xt plus 3x divided by root 3. Condition 1, condition 2 equate. Automatically, lot of terms will be cancelled. Root 3 times xt is equal to xt plus 3x upon root 3. Cross multiply 3xt is equal to xt plus 3x. You can see 2xt is equal to 3x. X will be go, t is equal to 3 by 2. Therefore, that is equal to 1.5. So, time taken is equal to 1.5 minutes. Are you followed, all of you? Any problem? Well, instructor, yes. Which step I need to explain? Where is Vaishnavi standing? At A. What is this AB? As the cliff. Where is the shore? B. That is the foot of the cliff. So, one your friend Nidhi is traveling in the boat. Where? At D. After 3 minutes, where is she? At C. These angles of depression followed. What is the question? Then what you have not followed? Step. And what is this T? Time taken to Nidhi to reach at B. What is X? Uniform speed. Okay. We have a formula, distance equal to speed into time. Heard about now? That is called, this is 3 into x, 3x. This is t into x, 3x. Now which triangle? Tan 60 is in this triangle. Tan 60 is AB upon BC. Root 3 is equal to h upon xt. Cross multiplication, this will go here. Then tan 30 means which triangle? Triangle ABD. Tan 30 is equal to AB upon BD. That is tan 30 is h upon this one. 1 upon root 3. Cross multiply. This will go h is equal to. Are you followed? From LHS of 1 and 2 are RH is equal. Equate, cross multiply, simplify. Got the answer. Okay. It's second part.
What an empty wrong.
You did anything wrong over here. You look at the figure now.
Yes, sir, but I have done the opposite.
Hello. There is no direction. East-west directions are not given. The same figure can. This man is asking, is this figure is correct? You can explain whether it is correct or not.
I am.
Sir, but that's
What happened? What is the difference between this figure and that figure?
Sir, I got that.
If you want to say same A, B, C, D. Same thing. Okay. Mr. Bhumiraj, where in Uran you went? Where in Uran you went? Huh? My home, where? Uran means it is not one place. There are a lot of places there. In where in Uran is your home? JNPT. JNPT is Paro from Uran. Okay. Township. Which sector? Outside road. So JNPT outside the JNPT township. Opposite side. I know that was earlier. Don't laugh. Have you seen lot of stories you want to tell? Who does it? Don't touch the AC. Other day you know. Yeah. Yeah. Second part of the question is that is already, it's a simple one only. Simple means second part is the speed of the boat meter per second if the height of the cliff is given as 500 meters, that you can here, look here, hello, oi, height of the cliff is given, we got T, replace, you'll get X. By
What is height?
height, no need to do now. Height is 500 meters. Okay, replace and you will get the answer in meter per second. So that means time has to be converted. Here time is in minutes. So you have to convert it. Okay, that you now have to convert.
Yes.
So look here. What is he doing? See, he's changing his figure.
Sir, I want that.
Okay. Chalo. This one heights and distance I already said. Sanskriti, not always Chembur, over here also. Concentrate over here. Okay. Board exam you cannot write. I was in Chembur for this day, that day. Chembur is looking at Dadar. Okay. Good. Listen here. Graphical representation. We are going to do the graphical representation. In the graphical representation, I asked, okay, body standard. I will know what is the main difference between inclusive class and exclusive class. What do you say? Both the what you say. Do you know? Srishti, difference between inclusive and exclusive. Or serious. What is the and now again I have to repeat. All question to everyone is what is the difference between inclusive and exclusive?
In inclusive, the upper limit and the lower limit of the quantitative classes is the same.
Okay, now listen. Chesa is talking, or you are Chesa? I did not ask her that way. Okay. Chesa standard. Where is it? Amni, where is your friend Reva? She is sitting in with the or next to you. Or as a country she is sitting. Both is possible. She got Ganpati at home. Who knows her house? Where she stays?
Sir, even I have a
You know wrong now? Where in Nerul only? Where? Huh? Ah, that is the Nerul side only now. Today after the lecture we come and take we'll go. Apni wanted to come? Apni, you wanted to come? We are going to this her house. She doesn't know. Okay. Here, I made two class in double, which is inclusive and which is say first one and second one.
first
Okay.
is exclusive, second is inclusive.
Are you sure?
No, sorry.
Now,
First is exclusive, second is
those are now, hello, all of you be quiet. Shh. Those who know in this one, which is inclusive, which is exclusive, please raise the hand. Then what you are shouting first is your hand is raised out. Then why you are shouting? Hey, keep quiet now. If you know, you raise the hand. Otherwise, if you are not raising, you are not allowed to talk. Here, anyone? No. Yes, more like that we hear from you.
Sir, the first one is inclusive and the second one is exclusive.
You are agreed with the first one. Inclusive means both limits are included. Okay. Here, in this to sit down. 20 to 29. What is the lower limit?
20.
Upper limit?
29.
30 to 39. Okay. This both upper limit and lower limit are included. That is called inclusive. Exclusive means upper limit is not included. 20 to 30, 30 to 40. What is the meaning? All the values between 20 and 30 including 20. 30 is excluded. So always lower value will be included, upper value is okay. This is called exclusive. This is called continuous class interval. This is called discrete. Okay, and this is also called true class. Understood why I am telling different words? You will see these all. You should not confuse. To make the histogram or this one cumulative frequency or you have to make continuous class interval. Henceforth, I will tell continuous class interval this week. Now, the next question. If the question class interval is given this way, you cannot draw the histogram with this one. First, you have to make continuous class interval. How many of you know how to make continuous class interval? Those who know, please raise the hand. 2 hands up. Okay. Continuous class interval. Yes. If you are showing this way. Are you okay? Put your hand down. You are telling or not telling? You wanted to bring. You know me, sir.
So very 30 minus 29.
30 minus 29 by 2. 30 minus 29 is 1. 1 divided by 2 is 0.5. Then.
And then
Add
0.5 to the first one.
Sit down. Yes. 60 continue. 60 continue. A. I am asking you this question. Yeah. Yeah, be quiet now. 29
Plus 0.5. 30 minus 0.5.
means from the law. How do you get 0.5? You are what you said you are agreed. Okay. What you have to do? From the lower limit, 0.5 should be subtracted. With the upper limit, 0.5 should be added. Therefore, this class interval will come on this way. 20 minus 0.5 is 19.5 till 29.5. This will come as 29.5 to 39.5. So, class interval may become how much? Continuous. Are you followed, all of you? This is the one. Okay. How this 0.5 has come, all of you followed? Difference of the lower and upper limit of 2 consecutive. Divide by 2. That value. It is most of the cases it's 0.5. There are cases there with other than 0.5 also. Okay, it's not that. One difference is coming here. This one. This also is clear. Now, have we studied bar graph? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Have you studied histogram?
Yes, sir.
Histogram also studied last year, no? Okay. Where's one of you? Everything is there, no? What is the difference between bar graph and histogram? What difference is there? I don't study the theoretical and all. Okay, this. You wanted, maybe you wanted to tell, speak loudly. You are raised the hand. What is the bar graph? What is the difference between bar graph and histogram? How can it be standard? Whatever you have to tell loudly, no problem. I tell them. Let her tell them. Histogram. Anyone? Simple, yes.
The bar graph is depicted as bars and
Rashi can be copied.
histogram is depicted by points which are joined
Listen. Listen. If there is no gap between the bars, that is called histogram. Why you be quiet? Okay. Okay. So then we will understand the equation. Okay. So in the bar graph, you will see this way. Different bars will be there. Okay. These are called bar graph. Histogram means if it is started means maybe See, bars there is no gap. Understood or not? This is called the histogram. It's not necessary from 0 it's starting maybe. If it is 0 starting, maybe this one too. Okay now? Are you followed? Okay. For the histogram, there is no gap between the bars. That's all. Clear now? What you are talking about is called frequency polygons and all. Okay. Now, look. Now next is, so all of you followed how to make the histogram. I will show one of them first and foremost. Are you following?
Yes, sir.
Did you practice anything these days?
Yeah.
Which chapter?
Icse.
Oh, trigonometry over. Reach to x and distance. 3 weeks took for the trigonometry. Huh? What is telling? No said nothing.
And he said,
He said nothing. How can he say nothing? Can you explain it? Let me also learn. Have you seen? Whenever what? Look here. Whenever your class interval writes, don't try to write 0 to 10, 10 to 20. You know why? Sometimes we miss 0, 10, then it is 20, 30, it will come. If you miss means you may not identify. So you have to cross everything. Always try one side right. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. It's I just tell you to minimize the mistakes of you, okay? Now the frequency will be given. You know what I mean by frequency? Okay, let's say 2, 3, 7, let's say 9, 5, 4. First step number 1, check whether the class intervals are continuous or not. Are the class intervals are continuous?
Yes.
What is the meaning of continuous? There is no gap, lower limit and upper limit will coincide. Okay, now question step number 2. We have to draw the histogram if it is. You have to check, is it starting with a 0? If it is not starting with 0, what do you have to do? King. Have you heard about king?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
All of you know.
Yes.
So king you have to make. If it is not, king you heard about. Okay. Okay. Heartbeats. Okay. So king to be made. If it is not, whenever it's not started with 0. Okay. If it is started with 0, there is nothing to do. Next, after that, remember this graph, we need only one quadrant. Okay, so only this on positive side this much. This is not coordinate geometry graph. Okay, this is 0. Next, scale on x-axis and scale on y-axis can vary. It's not necessarily same scale. Depends upon the question. Okay, here it is. I am going to take 0. Now on x-axis always class interval. Okay, on x-axis what? Class interval. Class interval from where to where? 0 to 60. Now look here. 0, 10. Don't write 0 to 10 here. This whole thing means the mark will be 0. Okay, this is 0, 10, 20, 30 equal 40, 50, 60. Lot of places let me write till there. No, till here it stop. Okay. Don't think okay since 0, 10 I will also write 0, 10. If you write 0, 10 means your graph will be here. Understood or not? Because the frequency is maximum is 10 only. Okay. So at least half of the graph sheet should be used. Means should not be your histogram should not be finished over here. Okay, at least little more, half of the graph. So that means you check how much is the frequency. Maximum frequency is 9. If you want, you can take 1, 2, 3 till 9. Okay, so if I take 1, 2, 3 to 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, now should I draw 0 to 10? How much? 2. With the help of the scale and pencil, you have to draw it. Then 10 to 20, the graph paper. Followed now? Do I need to draw for the histogram? All of you know? No clarification required. All the points I said. Check the table and after that. Next is scale should be mentioned. X, Y. What is this one also marked? If it is nothing is given class interval. Here, frequency. I don't need to explain anything on this one, everyone. I'm going to explain the second one. Then that is a part you are not studied last year. That is called cumulative frequency curves. What is called? Cumulative frequency curve. Ojai, Ogi, these are all different ways, whatever said, okay. Okay, they are called cumulative frequency curve. So that means what cumulative frequency you heard? Have you heard about cumulative frequency? Not heard about how to make the cumulative. I'll show you. Don't know. Okay. Now look here. Once again, listen. Class, entire class, and around 25 to 26 students are sitting in this classroom. I will explain these all things again and again. Toward the end of the lectures, also I am telling. When I explain, there is no guarantee that you are understood. I don't have a magical thing. I cannot find out who followed what or not. If you are not followed, it is your duty to at least raise the hand and tell. That means at least raising means at least I can understand the child is either asked to explain or this one. It is not that once I spoke does not mean that everyone follow. I don't have that expertism and all to tell. You have to tell us, yes, I have not followed. Then only we can help you. That is the thing, keep in mind. Now, cumulative frequency means there are two types of cumulative frequencies there. One is called less than cumulative frequency. Second one is called more than cumulative frequency. I'm going simply in the case CF if written means it is always less than. Who knows how to make the cumulative frequency? Those who know, yes, tell. Just tell.
Plus 5. Plus
Here what will write?
2. 5. 15.
15.
12.
12. Have you seen how did now look here? Those are not followed. This 2 will be written out here. Plus 3. Plus 7. That is 12. Plus 9. 21. 21 plus 5. 26. 26 plus 4. That is 30. This total will be 30. Are you followed? This 2 will be written out here. 2 plus 3. 5. 5 plus 7. 12. This one. Okay now. What is the meaning of here? Less than 10, there are two values are there. Less than 10 means 0 to 10. Next, this 5 means what? 0 to 20. 12 means what? 0 to 30. What is 21 means? What is going on there? All of you take out your mobile. If it is not inside the bag, put it inside the bag. Everyone. Whether it in the pocket or under the desk, put inside the bag. If I see anything is over there, I will, If anything is there under the bag, I'll take it and submit. The parent will come then only. Okay. Now, this page is clear. So, less than. Now, how to make the cumulative frequency, I am going to tell. This is called less than how much? 10. So, the coordinates I am going to write. How to plot? 10, 2. Less than 10 means 10, 2. 20, 5. Upper limit and here. 30, 12. Then 40, 21. 50, 60. Have you followed? This is for less than cumulative frequency curve or less than. So I can write that this is less than. Now we are going to plot these all points in the graph. Now here on x-axis class interval will be there. On y-axis cumulative frequency. So you cannot draw histogram and cumulative frequency in same graph paper. Okay. Histogram will be drawn with what? Frequency on y-axis. Cumulative frequency is what? Sorry, cumulative frequency curve means what? It is CF, cumulative frequency. So here, what is the maximum CF? 30. So the graph will be again 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, till where? 60. This is how much? Till 30 is there. If I want, I can take it as 5, 10, 15, 20. You should, while taking this one, you should know how to mark 2. Okay, like that. 20, 25, and 30. Okay, so first point is what? 10, 2. 10, 2 means somewhere here it is. Second point, 20, 5. Next one, third point, 30, 12. 40, 21. 50, 26. 60, 30. Okay, the points are marked. Now, do you know what is the difference between curve and a polygon? Polygon means the 2 points are joined with a line segment. Okay, curve means the 2 points are joined with freehand. Okay, and as we said, polygon edges are there. Here there is no edges. So there is a smooth curve will be passing. So first itself you have to just without drawing you will move yourself. Your finger should be moved so that you will see that one, the how it is a movement. So then after that. Okay. Now this is called the which figure? Cumulative frequency curve less than cumulative frequency curve. Not over. Lower limit. This curve will be joined to the lower limit of the first class interval. What is the lower limit of the first class? 0. Doesn't mean that everywhere it is 0. So where to be joined? Lower limit of the first class. So here it is 0 means. Hope all of you followed how to draw. Okay, this is called which cumulative frequency curve? Less than cumulative frequency curve. Followed. Graphical representation part almost 90% is done. Now I have to explain more than that. Also I'll explain. Okay, once we complete this. Any doubt is there? 20 got it out? Okay. Now from the histogram we will be calculating the value of mean, and from the cumulative frequency curve you will from the histogram we will be calculating the value of mode, 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 and cumulative frequency curve will be calculating median. Okay, mean is not calculated with the help of the graph. Okay, so you hope you all have followed what all I said. If not followed, tell me. Histograms and ogives. Okay, so let's. If this is the one means you can see the graph are given. So all examples are there. Coordinates are given. Please take the exercise, unsolved exercise 23.1. Graph. Notebooks are not required. Scale, pencil. Start doing. Exercise 23.1. Fast. Why? What happened? Graph. Sister, you did not give the graph to her. You have to. What is the problem? Then I had to throw her out. How many pages you are giving? Who is given? This graph paper, graph book will be continuing. What is it? Then these days coming, look here, till the end of the chapter, this chapter and the next chapter, central tendency, both the chapters you will be reading the graph. Okay. Now, this is the same thing I said. Your borrowing will start all these things. First question. Yes, what happened, Bhumiraj? You tell me now, I'll explain. Cumulative frequency, not followed. Everything followed. Okay. Exercise 23.1. Class work. Draw the histogram of the following. Class interval is continuous. There is no need to make any table. Directly you can draw. What happened? What is your problem? Cumulative frequency will do later. We'll do this one now. That will come later. Pencil. How many pencils you need? 20 rupees. No, see, I will keep in the empty. I am going to start from this. Okay, I will keep 20 rupees. I am not compulsory to buy. Yeah. Next week also. Yeah. Next class I will send everyone. I am telling you seriously. I will send the message to your parents. The following items are not there. The child will be sent back. One scale, one pencil, one cover. Stationery. Yeah. This is the main problem I am telling you seriously. Next class, these all things are not there. Means, no, these all painting is not required. Just do start fast. Another one. I will start doing page number 92. And I don't have to take, give it. 92 is 103. You are into only, I know, that is the problem. So. Class interval is till 60. I need to do at least 4 questions today. Then only I will stop the lecture. 1, 2, 3. First one is done. Why are you holding your paper and paper? What happened there? Next class I'll make every one on one or 2 on 1. This all people are sitting talking about. Was completed. Someone said yes. Me. Sriraj is completed 0 to 10 till 60. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Allah waiting me to see. She's waiting me to write that. Yeah. Frequency is maximum is how much? 26. Where you done? That's the second one. Classic number if you want to make, okay. If those are taken 2, 4, take 2, 4, no problem. This is 2, this is 4, this is 6, this is 8, this is 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28. 2, 4, you can take 2, 4, 6. I do not write, okay, 2, 6, 10, 14, 18, 22. Happy. Now, 0 to 10 is 12. With the help of the scale, What are you doing? Huh? Did you read the question? Sumit, you are in 10th standard. Then 10 to 20 is 20. Shh. 20 to 30 is coming 26. Who is that? Shh. Sanskriti, what is going on? 30 to 40 is 18. 40 to 50 is coming as 10. 50 to 60 is coming as how much? 6. What is going on here? Who said it is cancelled? Everything is cancelled now. Yeah, school cancelled. Do the question here. Stories making only this. That is whatever here. If it is 2 centimeter, what did you take? If it is 2 centimeter, means 2 centimeters equal to 10. If you are taking 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter is equal to. Here 1 centimeter is equal to 2. Whatever you are taken, accordingly you take. How much is this centimeter? In big graph paper, it is 2 centimeters. Look here. If you those are using this one block is how much? 2 centimeter. Okay. Those are using this one. In this one is 1 centimeter is one block. Understood? Generally, ICC does that type of graph. Yeah. Second question. Discrete means you have to make the class intervals. One man with continuous, discontinuous, we say. Who is that? Mr. Shreyas. True class interval. Did you make it? In your book, you have to make this one in your notebook. Okay. No page. This one, whenever you use this one, look at very good. Write whatever requirement. Draw the graph out. Open the notebook and serious. Everything here. Previously, once she used to come and tell, nowadays she is not telling. Tell I was asking. Okay. Oi, tell mommy I was asking. Tell how were you? I was asking. Yes. What happened? No, that is called frequency polygon. That is 9th standard. Okay. Midpoints, marking and joining. That is called frequency polygon. That is not there for you. Next one. So, class interval. You have to make 29.5 to 39.5. Who is that? Shruti. Over. Complete. 24. 16. Who is that? break. Who is that breaker? But yeah, I will give complete break. By break time she will come and. I should have my break time give her something. Look here, this one. This question, what is to be done? Important thing. King to be made. Okay, this is 0. First centimeter is 29.5. I want to see everyone's graph. Don't pack your bag. Next, right now I need. What is Next class, without graph, for common quantity given, 10% of trigonometry are given, without graph paper, without scale, without pencil, without eraser, be out of it. Thank you, bye.
Thank you, sir.
You're going.